As you come up to the parking space you've chosen, remember to check your mirrors, signal for at least 3 seconds before you pull over, and make sure it's safe to pull over in front of the parking space. Position your car a little ahead of the vehicle in front of the park. Stop when the front door of your car is next to the front wheel of the other vehicle. You should be parallel to it and about half a metre away, but no more than a metre. Check for hazards before you start backing. Do a shoulder check on both sides to cover both blind spots. Check your rear view mirror for traffic behind you.
When it's safe to start backing into the park, select reverse gear and look to the rear. You'll probably need to use a combination of looking out the rear window, rear side window, and mirrors as you back into the park.
Back slowly into the park. Remember to keep signalling left as you back in. When your rear wheel is opposite the parked vehicle's rear bumper, turn the steering wheel to the left. Keep backing slowly and steadily. Keep an eye on where you are in relation to the vehicle parked in front to make sure you don't hit it. Once the front of your car is clear of the rear of the parked vehicle, turn the steering wheel to the right to bring the front of your car in towards the curb. Continue backing slowly until your vehicle is parallel to the curb and within 30 centimetres of it.
Cool. Keep going back to straighten up a bit further.
Change into first gear or drive and move forward. You may need to steer a bit to the left and then straighten up the steering wheel to keep the car parallel to the curb to complete the park. You should stop 1 to 2 metres behind the vehicle in front. To finish the park, apply the handbrake and select neutral or park.